Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzhe machine. Today we are sending 3 units of our pellet machine to India. These are 3 machines including 2 units of a 90 kilowatt pellet machine with a capacity 1 to 1.5 tons power, 1 unit of a 132 kilowatt pellet machine with a capacity 1.5 to 2 tons power. This complete of a pellet machine including the main machine with a gear oil cooler, the soft start electric control panel, the automatic grease lubrication pump, the cyclone type dust collector. These 3 machines will need an 120-feet container for loading. Okay, everyone, trust Longzhe brand, trust Longzhe quality. Thank you.